The mission of the American Heart Association is to be a relentless force for a world of longer, healthier lives. We work to improve the lives of all Americans every day, but we cannot achieve that goal until we address the issues in inequality in healthcare. Drs. Watkins and Saunders pioneered this work not only in Baltimore but nationwide. It was our privilege at the American Heart Association to work alongside them in their efforts, so it's only fitting that we created this award to honor their work.
I first met Dr. Watkins before I came to medical school here in Baltimore. A remarkable man who has done a tremendous amount for African American advancement in academic medicine in this town and in this country. He was the first surgeon to ever implant a defibrillator in a human being, a phenomenal achievement. And he taught us that before we do anything else, we must first be excellent as physicians, excellent as scientists, as researchers, and excellent as teachers.
Eli was someone who was always thinking outside the box, and he wouldn't take no for an answer. In the 70s, Eli was realizing as a cardiologist that a lot of his patients were dying of hypertension-related diseases. He would look at the research and he would see that there were not any people of color being used in the research process. And he stopped and he said, how many people in the African American community have high blood pressure? Well, the answer is a very large number. Why are these new medications not being evaluated with the patients who are going to use them? And he and Dr. Watkins, they used their influence and were able to make a difference. And because of that, people of color, it is mandated that they are to be included in the research process.
To have this honor named for a man like Levi Watkins is entirely appropriate. He was involved with the American Heart Association, and he was also involved with bringing people of color into the community of academic medicine.
Eli was there from the very beginning. He was always very proud of the American Heart Association for having grown to be the entity it is today and to have his name carried forward with Levi's. He was very proud of it, and as a family, to see that his hard work and what he has done for his local community, for Baltimore, Maryland, but also, nationally, we're very pleased.
This award appropriately celebrates people like Elijah Saunders and people like Levi Watkins because their courage is what moves us forward in our effort. We recognize them for the gift that they gave us with their lives and their careers and their courage. And by celebrating their efforts, we end up encouraging others who follow them to continue that effort.
This award honors not only their legacy, but also the work that still needs to be done to address health disparities in this community and all across the country. The Watkins-Saunders Award was created to champion the work not only of Drs. Watkins and Saunders, but also to those who continue to do their work in the community to address those health disparities that still exist and to continue with the mission of the American Heart Association.